Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Rocio, for those of you who are new. Today I have to do something that I've been wanting to do for the last few days. I want to switch up my wardrobe. I feel like I have too many clothes that really are not suitable for this type of weather, so I'm thinking instead of bringing everything that is fall and winter, I'm just gonna bring a little bit. I'm gonna bring enough for the next couple of months just for this transition into winter, and then when December, January comes, then I bring more clothes out. So what I'm planning on doing today, I'm going to be removing all of my clothing because it's a little bit of a mess, and I'm gonna be sorting what I think can stay for the next couple of months, and then I'm gonna bring out the rest of my clothing that I feel is gonna be comfortable to wear for the next 2-3 months until December comes. So welcome to my channel, it's good to have you here, and let's get into it. This is the area of my closet right here. I have some stuff hanging that are more winter oriented because I was traveling, so when I came from work I just didn't put them away, so there are some things that can probably stay, but I have a lot of tank tops and shorts that really need to go, and then I have a lot more on the bottom. So I'm just gonna bring everything out from the shelves. I'm gonna sort it out, and what I feel can stay will stay, and then I'm gonna pull the stuff that I have from under my bed, and I'm gonna sort that out too. I also have in here on this side, I have some dresses and my robes. Some of the pool coverings can probably go away, so I'm also gonna be removing those. And then here I have my coats, so those can definitely stay, but I'm gonna be organizing here a little bit, so we'll see how long this takes me. Here I'm making a pile of what stays and what goes.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right, our romance to be. Can't deny, I love the things we do. Outside
it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said.